Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Hangul Hub. Today we're diving into a very relatable scenario for anyone traveling or living in Korea. Feeling hungry in the evening and deciding to visit a convenience store near your accommodation. Let's get started on how to navigate this situation with ease. Let me briefly introduce the topic we'll be covering today. Convenience stores in Korea are not just places to buy snacks. They're cultural hubs, where you can find a variety of goods, from ready-to-eat meals to basic necessities. Today, we'll learn how to express hunger, ask for recommendations, and make purchases, all in Korean. Perfect for those late-night snack runs. Before we head out, let's go over some essential vocabulary and grammar points.
배가 고프다. 편의점. 추천하다. 계산하다. 저녁.
Looking at these words, I'm starting to wonder what to have for a late-night snack today. Well then, let's slowly read through each word 3 times as usual.
배가 고프다. 배가 고프다. 배가 고프다. 편의점. 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 추천하다. 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 계산하다. 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 저녁. 저녁. 저녁.
3 times might not be enough. To become familiar, we'll need to practice it repeatedly. Oh, my roommate suggests having Korean-style seasoned fried chicken for tonight's late-night snack. That's an offer I can't refuse. What have you guys decided on? Now let's take a look at the simple grammar we need to learn today. The structure
누울 때.
is used to indicate the time when an action takes place, similar to when in English. It can be attached to both verbs and adjectives. The usage depends on the final vowel of the verb or adjective stem. If the stem ends in a vowel, you add
알 때.
If the stem ends in a consonant, you add.
울 때.
Let's take a look at how
알 때.
and
울 때.
are used in sentences. First, here's
알 때. 한국에 갈 때 경복궁을 방문하고 싶어요.
this sentence uses
갈 때.
to express when I go to Korea, indicating the time when the speaker wants to visit Gyeongbokgung. Next is
울 때. 어제 학교에 갔을 때 친구를 만났어요.
in the sentence.
어제 학교에 갔을 때 친구를 만났어요. 갔을 때.
Indicates a specific point in the past. This expression specifies the moment when the speaker went to school and met a friend at that time.
갔다.
Is the past tense of the verb.
가다.
By adding
울 때.
to make,
갔을 때.
it translates to when I went or at the time I went, indicating the specific time a certain action occurred in the past. Therefore, using
갔을 때.
allows you to indicate an event that happened at a specific time in the past, similar to the use of when in English. The structure
어서.
is used to connect sentences with a cause and effect relationship, indicating a reason or a basis for an action, similar to because or so in English. The form
어서.
is chosen based on the final vowel of the verb stem. If the stem ends with the vowel
아.
or, you add.
아서.
For other vowels, you add.
어서.
It might be a bit confusing. Let's examine how the following expressions were used. Let's all listen to the following expressions 3 times together.
배가 고파서요. 배가 고파서요. 배가 고파서요. 배가 아파서요. 배가 아파서요. 배가 아파서요. 보고 싶어서요. 보고 싶어서요. 보고 싶어서요. 너무 슬퍼서요. 너무 슬퍼서요. 너무 슬퍼서요.
These explanations should help clarify how these 2 grammar structures function within Korean sentences, illustrating their roles in expressing timing and cause and effect relationships, respectively. Now, let's listen to a conversation using the words and grammar we learned today and see how they are used in practice.
저녁에 배가 너무 고파요. 편의점에 가볼까요? 저녁에 배가 너무 고파요. 편의점에 가볼까요? 저녁에 배가 너무 고파요. 편의점에 가볼까요? 좋아요, 같이 가요. 좋아요, 같이 가요. 좋아요, 같이 가요. 여기서 무엇을 추천하세요? 여기서 무엇을 추천하세요? 여기서 무엇을 추천하세요? 김밥이나 도시락이 인기 많아요. 김밥이나 도시락이 인기 많아요. 김밥이나 도시락이 인기 많아요. 이것들 계산하고 싶어요. 어떻게 해야 하나요? 이것들 계산하고 싶어요. 어떻게 해야 하나요? 이것들 계산하고 싶어요. 어떻게 해야 하나요? 여기 계산대에서 해드릴게요. 여기 계산대에서 해드릴게요. 여기 계산대에서 해드릴게요.
How about that? Keep listening and practicing, and you'll soon get the hang of it too. If you start recognizing the words we learned, it's a sign that you're on the right track. Don't give up, and let's take it one step at a time. Let's take a look at 5 useful Korean expressions you can use at the convenience stores. These handy expressions are very useful for your convenience store visit. Start with simple expressions suitable for various situations. I'll make sure to listen to each expression 3 times.
이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? 이거 얼마예요? 물 좀 주세요. 물 좀 주세요. 물 좀 주세요. 가장 인기 있는 간식은 무엇인가요? 가장 인기 있는 간식은 무엇인가요? 가장 인기 있는 간식은 무엇인가요? 이것 좀 데워 주실 수 있나요? 이것 좀 데워 주실 수 있나요? 이것 좀 데워 주실 수 있나요? 포인트 카드 있어요? 포인트 카드 있어요? 포인트 카드 있어요?
Korean convenience stores are a crucial part of daily life in Korea, offering a wide range of services beyond just snacks. From freshly made meals to delivery services, they are a testament to the convenience and efficiency that's deeply ingrained in Korean culture. Don't miss out on the seasonal items that are often unique and delicious. Today we've covered how to express hunger, navigate a Korean convenience store, and interact with staff for a late-night snack run. Remember, practicing these phrases will not only fill your stomach, but also enrich your language skills and cultural understanding. Thank you for joining us today at Hangul Hub. We hope this episode makes your next visit to a Korean convenience store both enjoyable and successful. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your experiences or request topics for future lessons. In our next episode, we'll explore how to use public transportation in Korea. Until then, happy learning. And if anyone needs a transcript of this video, please leave your email in my inbox and I'll send it to you. It will help you study any words, grammar, and expressions you might have missed in the video more thoroughly. See you next time.